I'm here today on behalf of our Secretary Jimmy Bautista. Kaibigan po, very good friend po to ng transportation sector. Our stakeholders, no? Manufacturers, mga transport co-ops po natin, friends natin from Busina. Thank you sa inyo. Milestone to for you, first. And then next is ang Hataw. Yung mga friends natin sa Hataw, yung mga macho, mga truckers. Good morning po. And also, foremost, yung ating representative from Pasay. Salamat for welcoming this event here in your city. Mga colleagues ko from LTO. And then si Ma'am Yansa, yung ating organizer, the main person of this event. Basically, I cannot mention all, but good morning po sa inyo lahat. So I'll be reading the speech of our secretary. So seryoso muna ako for